Habib Roshan Apna Ghar will help you realize your dream by providing housing finance in easy and affordable monthly installments. To apply, visit the Bank Al Habib website and head towards the Roshan Apna Ghar webpage. Now start filling the application form. First, enter your account details and click the Submit button to proceed. Now, provide the one-time password (OTP) that the bank has sent you on your registered email address. Explain why you wish to avail this facility and press the Next button. Then, provide your personal details and click on Next. Provide details about your income and occupation. In case there's a co-applicant, enter their details. Also provide details of the property you want to buy or build a house on. Tick mark all the relevant checkboxes with the declarations. Now, please upload all required documents. Congratulations! Your application has been successfully submitted. Welcome to your Al Habib Roshan Apna Ghar. Bank Al Habib. Rishta Bharose Ka.